Hello everyone, be very welcome to another short video introducing an AI tool. This time we're going to speak a bit about Claude Code and a YouTube analysis automation that I just created. Let's go. As you know, probably you may know by now, Claude Code is one of the most hyped tools in 2026, and rightfully so. You can now basically create any kind of automation with the help of the tool and pretty much without any coding skills. You do need to know some technical concepts, but also Claude Code, you can interact with the tool and it will explain to you. Now I want to show you quickly what I asked in terms of automation and then the results. So quickly, in one of my first conversations, so you can see here the prompt. Basically, I just dumped my brain into it. I asked a YouTube analytics automation where YouTube videos would be analyzed regarding the topics that are interesting to me, like for example RevOps, AI, sales AI automation. I want also to have some insights like top videos, top tools, pain points, engagement rates, recommendations, and so on. Then it needs to create a PDF report, a document with the raw data, and finally send to my email address the reporting and the analysis every Monday at 9 a.m. Once you drop these, what do you really want of the automation that you are trying to achieve? We'll go through a series of analyses, research. We will ask you questions and you just need to answer. It's very straightforward, to be honest. An important output out of this exercise was everything that you see in the left side. It was completely empty. This is a folder. And now it's completely set up with multiple sets of workflows, also tools, and modal deployment. So now I have an automation completely created by Claude Code. I didn't code anything. All the Python script made by the tool and is fully deployed. It's not in a testing environment. So every Monday I'm getting at 9 a.m. the analysis. You want to know what kind of analysis, how it looks like? I will show it to you right now. So give me a sec. Here we go. So as you can see, it was sent today. YouTube analytics report, RevOps and AI niche analysis. 619 videos analyzed, total views, report highlights. We can see full report and view raw data here as well on the attachments. Let's start with the PDF analysis. This report was completely created by AI. You have top videos, views, engagement, a quick executive summary. It says here, AI automation content dominates the RevOps niche with Claude and agentic workflows as top signals. Very interesting for me. We have some top performing videos. Claude AI tool, best AI tools 2026, Salesforce analytics, and this one, it's really relevant to my RevOps field. Also, Claude Code explained. That's maybe one reason why I'm doing this video. We have the AI tools landscapes. We have Make, Outreach, Claude, N8N, ChatGPT, automation opportunities, and some recommendations. Outside of this PDF report, which you can see, it's already fantastic, this kind of work, and it was just 2 or 3 interactions, around 1 hour and a half and 2 hours. So with some few refinements, it can even become better. Let's try the button. If we click view raw data, you will see that you have some data to, if you want to do personal analysis. right? So I have here, you have overview, trending topics, channels, published patterns, and so on. So that's pretty much it. After using the tool, I have now a full deployed automation that is sent every Monday to me with a completely AI created PDF report plus the raw data, and it's fantastic. Imagine that instead of you proactively search for something and create a report, the AI creates the report and search for the data that you really want in a weekly basis. So it is very powerful. I'm just getting started, and that's pretty much it for now. If you have questions, do let me know. I will be experimenting more with Claude Code and other tools, and I will be sharing with you. So hopefully you are looking forward to it, and see you next time.